an important victory for Kaizer Chiefs against Zesco United of Zambia in the CAF Confederations Cup group stages. This 1-0 victory takes Kaizer Chiefs to 7 points in their group. Of course, this is depending on how the two Egyptian teams play out against each other. So that will determine whether Kaizer Chiefs moves to second position or they remain on number 3. But this is important because it helps to propel Kaizer Chiefs, and then also it improves Kaizer Chiefs' chances of qualifying for the knockout stages, which is the quarterfinals of the CAF Confederations Cup. Going to the match itself, let's just be honest. This Zesco United team is terrible.